What's going on YouTube? It is Hemi Boy 392. Yes, 392. Now I'm just getting off work right now. Leaving one grind back to another grind, back to back to back. You know what I'm saying? Today I got a nice little video. I got some mods, and they came in early for the Scatty. I got two in here, as you see. I don't know. I'm not even gonna say I don't know, because I know I'm not gonna put both of them on today. I'm only gonna put one of them on because the other one requires a little bit of more time than I actually have to spend today on doing stuff like this. Barbecuing today, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, I'm gonna put one on, and the next video I'll probably put the next one on. So I'm waiting on one more package. Where's my camera zoomed in? Yeah, I'm waiting on one more through USPS. They delivering it through, so it might be a while. I don't know how long it's gonna take for them to come, but yeah, I'm just waiting on one more. So I'm gonna probably put the thing that I'm not putting on today on, along with the other thing that I don't have yet, in the same video. You know what I'm saying? Just so it, what I'm saying. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think is in these boxes or packages. Y'all gonna see what's in that one. This is the one, because I think it's gonna bring up they just appearance mods. They ain't no engine. They just more like not performance, but appearance. So yeah, man, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit that comment button on what you think of the mod that I'm finna put on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you want to, drop a like already, you know what I'm saying, or you can wait till the end of the video. But let me set y'all up here, back the car up a little bit, and then get the cracking. Guys, so you see, it's a roof spoiler, a rear roof spoiler. I got it in gloss black. I had one on my other Charger, and it looked real nice, and I think it'll definitely set the back end off of this Charger, especially when I get the wicker bill put on. But yeah, man, I'm a little upset because it didn't come with any like 3M tape or anything, because that's what it sticks on with. But luckily for me, being the handy guy that I am, I always keep some 3M tape with me. Well, not with me, but I always keep it around in the garage at least. Never know what you're gonna need it for, you know what I'm saying? So, damn, bubble in my goddamn, oh boy. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm probably not gonna show y'all me taping it up, because that's kind of boring. I'm just show y'all me putting it on, you know what I'm saying. But the first things first y'all need to do, man, make sure you putting on anything like this prep work. Make sure you get you some rubbing alcohol or glass cleaner, or whatever the fuck you want to clean it with. Clean your surfaces, man. Keeps it from flying off. Keep the tape on, you know what I'm saying. You don't want to be in the car wash or you're hitting 100 on the highway. Not that you should be, but you don't want to be hitting 100 on the highway and then the mug just flying off, you know what I'm saying, because it ain't sticking right, So let me go ahead, prep it up. Let me set y'all up, and I'll show y'all me putting it on. And then after. Alright, y'all, I had a little bit of a fail. The 3M tape that I had, it wasn't sticking to the spoiler nor the window of the car. So I gotta go get some, come on girl, I gotta go get some more 3M tape from the store, which I really didn't want to do today, but I figure I might as well just go ahead and get it over with. I might just pick this video up tomorrow or something like that if I get back home and I don't feel like doing it. But let me go ahead, head to this auto store real quick and pick up some more 3M and see if it'll work. guys, watching this right now and you're like, oh man, where's the roof spoiler at? Fuck that roof spoiler, god damn it. I done wasted damn near $20 worth of 3M tape, and that shit is not cheap. I bought 2 rolls, they were like $10 a piece, and I taped it right, you know, cleaned the areas, and the shit just keeps popping up to the point where the 3M tape is kind of like useless, because you know, you keep sticking tape down, it ain't gonna be sticky no more, you know what I'm saying? So safe to say that I'm a little frustrated right now, so I ain't gonna be doing this one right now. I'll catch y'all in the next clip, and it's probably just gonna be on me because I'm over recording this shit right now, you feel me? So I'll catch y'all in the next clip. What's going on, y'all? It's Hemi Boy. I'm back. It's the next day. I got the spoiler on right now. It looks amazing. But before I turn around and show y'all, I do have the other thing I just had bought today, or I had just had bought. It came in today. So y'all get a 2-for-1 special, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show putting this one on, but I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna show you. I got the nice, if I can get it out again. I got the Scatpack B badge. It's gloss black. It's gonna replace the RT I got right there. So it's just gonna go right there. I think it'll look good right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and debadge and then rebadge, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really consider this up badging because it is a Scatpack, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just take the RT off and put a little bit better looking decal, or not decal, but emblem on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finishing product. Alright, y'all, I didn't did my little badges and everything. I didn't have my dental floss, so I had to take the harder route, you know what I'm saying? It took me about 25 minutes to get the tape off. But anyways, y'all, man, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around, let y'all see the end results. You ready? Y'all ready? Man. So I got tape on the spoiler right now to keep it down, you know, to let it set for a little bit, maybe leave it on there for a couple hours. Try to get it to sit properly, so it doesn't pop up anywhere. I'll probably wait until it gets a little bit later in the day. I'll pull the car out, maybe get y'all a better view, but let me try to get y'all a good one right now so I don't have to do all that. You know, don't mind the tape. And then the badge, the big, I don't know if it'll show up, the big B back there. That one I'm not too sure about. It looked better, kind of smaller in the pictures. I think it looked alright. Let me know what y'all think about it. The big B in the back. Let me give y'all a better longer look. Yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. I think this one might have to grow on me. I might take it off. I might not. I'm not too sure. Yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know what y'all think about the roof spoiler. Yeah, man, that's it for today. I got one more to do, but I think I'm gonna wait to do that to an off day because that's gonna take some time to do. yeah, so let me know what y'all think about the B emblem and the roof spoiler. Leave a comment down below if you think I should take it off and put another RT or a different symbol on there or something like that, or just completely remove it. Let me know what y'all think about the roof spoiler. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're watching this. If you're new, make sure you share it with all your friends, your homies. Man, I don't know, me just sitting here looking at it is just like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for today's video. Like I said, let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.